Good morning, everybody. It's day 21 of our operation, Thursday, and look where we are. We are in Homer, Alaska, and we got a beautiful view out here right for you. Look at the view right outside. This is Homer, Alaska. This is the lowest point you can be down there, and we are ready to start our day. We're in day 21. Yesterday we drove from Anchorage all the way up. We tried to come to Seward, but we decided to go towards Homer, and it was a great trip. We reached Homer late night, around 9:45 or so, and it was dark, so we ended up coming here, but now it looks pretty and we're gonna enjoy our trip today. And great stuff happened yesterday. We got a person, Trent, who ended up helping us out. I had a microphone which was stopped working, and he ended up selling us his own microphone from his own helmet, which is amazing. Barham found that person on Facebook somewhere, and he helped us out because we needed a microphone so I could communicate with everybody else in the team. So that's where we are. Today is day 21, and we'll continue on looking at Homer and all the places to visit around Homer, and we'll try to make it our way towards Seward later on today. This is going towards Homer's Spit. You can see glaciers on the left, right, as well as on the right, on all sides. We're the king of the world! The kings of the world! Whoa! And you can just see some, hopefully you get to see some beluga whale, some of the whale. Seagull flying right above us. It's like a special tour.
Yeah, it's a pretty bumpy ride. I had to drop my cell phone.
Here we are in one section over here. All the ultra wealthy people live around here. They got some expensive homes over here, and we are passing towards Halibut Cove, no wake zone over here. So it's a beautiful day in Homer, Alaska. Look at those 4 cottages right there, and very, very scenic out here. The camera is not giving it justice.
So goodbye to Homer. Praveen is enjoying the calm but beautiful sea surrounded by snow-capped mountains. Extremely pretty. Yeah.
So far, we have gone to 2 spots. The highest motorable highway, which is in Prudhoe Bay. We went all the way up to the highest point in North America, and now we're at the most westerly point of North America. This is the most west we can go in North America, and we already did the most north we can go in Prudhoe Bay. So we got 2 out of the 4 done, and we may have to make another trip to see the other 2 now. This is Exit Glacier. That's the glacier right there. And at one time, this was all part of the glacier down here. in the last 200 years, it has all receded all the way up to what we see right now. Global warming.
Deepak, you are not even 10 feet away, man. Where is your 30 feet distance? What happened, Deepak? Oh man, what's happened? What's your 30 feet? Ooh. Yeah.
Don't worry, if she charges you, I got it on video.
You're not even 30 feet, Deepak. Where's your 30 feet rule? Oh no. You're violating the rule, Deepak. Mom and the baby. Moose.
So here we are. We are coming back from Exit Glacier and we got held up in some traffic. A moose, a female moose, and its calf are in the way, and we just have to wait till they're done.